Hello viewers, again welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here we're going to show you a very beautiful fashion dress illustration. Fashion dress illustration is an artistic form that bridges the world of fashion, design and fine art. It captures the essence of style, creativity and individuality, showcasing not just about clothing, but the mood, energy and personality of the design. Let's dive into the vibrant world of fashion illustration and painting, where imaginations come to life on paper. The art of fashion illustration. Fashion illustration is more than drawing garments. It's about telling a story from the delicate strokes that outline a flowing dress to bold, vivid colors breathe life into accessories. Every element speaks volume. The artist's unique perspective transforms a flat idea into a dynamic visual, filled with movement and emotion. Techniques and mediums. Illustration use a wide range of techniques and mediums. Like watercolor brings the soft dreamy quality, acrylic paint and pencil sketching comes with the beautiful expressive art, while markers and ink add sharpness and the precision. Some prefer digital tools for versatility, while others stick to traditional pencil and paint for a tactile experience. Each choice shapes the final artwork, reflecting the illustrator's style and vision and think. The importance of detail. Details are crucial in fashion illustration. The subtle shimmer of satin and intricate lace work, motifs work, beaded work, or the soft fold of a flowing fabric. All these elements demand attention. Artists often study fashion trends, fabric texture, and even the personality of the models to ensure their illustrations are realistic and compelling as possible. Painting of fashion illustration. Painting adds depth and richness to illustration. The play of light and the shadow, the blending of hues and the layering of textures create a dimensional effect. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you like the whole idea and design. If you want to join free course of fashion designing classes, so must watch and join. Thanks for watching.